In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that over the Save Passwords option is on, log in to any app, and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, hit this plus next to Search Passwords. Then click on Site at the top and input any website, or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!